Okay, you filed your lawsuit. Now what? Let's talk about the next phase, discovery and motions, because we covered the other parts. Once your employer replies to your complaint, the case will enter discovery stage. Yep, that's where the sides dig it a little deeper to uncover the facts, almost like legal detectives. You're both going to exchange documents. They call them requests for documents. They both will answer written questions, requests for interrogatories. And you both will more likely engage in depositions where there'll be a recorder, court recorder, and whoever's requesting the depositions will have to pay the fee. Of course, if you engage in the depositions, if you're responding to it, you definitely want to get a copy of that court transcript, and you'll have to pay that fee for that. If you're actually the one doing the if you're actually the one who is responsible for the depositions, then you'll pay the fee for that. Anyway, moving on, expect motions. Yep, I said it. Legal requests to the judge. That's what motions are. Now, usually, I'm going to tell you, these folks, they got this far. A lot of them, the defendants, the employers, are trying to kill your case. So you may see a motion to dismiss sent to the judge, and you'll get a copy of all this. And the motion to dismiss is to really end your case early. The other motion is the motion for summary judgment. And the motion for summary judgment is where your employer, the defendant, argues there's no need for trial since facts are clear. Don't panic. It's quite normal because, like I said, a lot of times they just want to kill your case. So if you get those motions, the court will give you a deadline to respond. Make sure you meet those deadlines because you don't want your case tossed out on a technicality if you got this far. So explain to your judge why your case is valid and should continue. If you got case law, this would be a good time to provide it. Anyway, discovery, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It can be intense, but be strategic and ask for emails and performance review. And so be strategic, especially when it's, because you're in discovery. So you can ask for emails, performance reviews, text messages, whatnot, or policies that may show discrimination or retaliation. And I'm telling you, keep copies of everything, copies of what you send and copies of what you receive. Note, like I mentioned, you'll have to answer questions, so read them carefully. And only give factual, honest reply because you will be giving statements under oath. So no long stories, just information that they ask for. You don't have to give them anything extra. So that's part 4. Follow me for more tips that actually make sense.